Throw your hands in the sky, nigga. I'm sticking ice picks on the tip of your dick. Give your testicles a swift kick. Ain't that some shit? Am I hardcore? Harder than the Plymouth, it ain't no myth. It's a nigga with a split and a pro for fifth. Rest on your back. So what you want, nigga? How you wanna act?
And I'm gassed up, ready to transform, geeked up.
Don't never go to sleep, he just brainstorm. That same old money, more problem, but no, I ain't stopping them beats, I'm still having them runs. Better pray to God, cause he hit. I'll run it up. I'm good on love, cause I'm on drugs. You move exotic pie, your little brother, them gon' slap him out just because. If you kill a scream, you get a dime. If you kill her out, you get a dub. I got rich off of beating some rhyme. Never up till when I met out drugs. Ricky, no Cardi B, ain't pullin' no robbery. Pull a nigga ain't hard than me. Every nigga around me could throw. You must ain't never seen red before. All my life grew up in the trap. Why my great grandma say a dope? Nigga can't get with, so he got X'd out. Shit, the J still gon' roll. Couple my family members turn zombie, nigga. Watch my uncle get on that dope. Get too high, get the trip. 1 second, I hop out, switch. Never hit the whole clip, one blow. Never fed on a mission when it come to spinning. My nigga regretted for speaking on coke. Smoking on who? Just let me know. Smoke y'all crew, unlimited smoke. Who running? Shit, who done it? Run with the killer, hang with the zombies. High as a star, my pocket blue honey. Just like a rock star on a mission. Nigga, rock out, bitch, y'all on curl. Bitch, y'all, bitch, your head is a dead man. Don't even miss. Upgrading my Glock, cause I'm switching them up. He was boosting his head, now he jigging them up.